Welcome to DDR Academy. In this video I am discussing the image based questions, and so this video will be useful for preparation for the various competitive examinations in nursing. Look at the picture or image and get an idea about each image, and each answer is given with a brief explanation. So first question is, look at the picture and identify the drain. Look at the picture and identify the drain. The answer is Jackson Pratt drain. Jackson Pratt drain. This is also known as JP drain. Jackson Pratt drain is also known as JP drain, and it is a closed suction medical device that is commonly used as a post-operative drain for collecting bodily fluids from surgical sites. The device consists of an internal drain connected to a grenade-shaped bulb via plastic tubing. So this is Jackson Pratt drain. Next question. Look at the picture and identify the chest abnormality. So what is the type of chest abnormality given in this picture? Answer is pigeon chest or pectus carinatum. Pigeon chest or pectus carinatum. So pigeon chest or pectus carinatum means we can see the sternal bulging there. Also this happens because of an unusual growth of rib and breastbone or sternum cartilage that connects the ribs. The bulging gives the chest a bird-like appearance. So this is known as the pectus carinatum or pigeon chest. Then look at the picture and identify the skin changes. So what is the type of skin change given in this picture? Answer is dried herpes simplex. The classical sign of herpes is a cluster of blisters on a base of red skin. The blisters look like a drop of water filled with clear fluid. These blisters dry up rapidly and leave a crust or scab that lasts anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. And there are mainly two types of herpes simplex, that is HSV1 and HSV2. HSV1 causes sores around the lips or inside the mouth, sometimes called fever blisters or cold sores. And type 2, that is HSV2, causes sores on the genitals. So we can see the blisters on the base of red skin, and it is getting dried up and leaving a crust. Next question. Look at the picture and identify the sign. What is the sign given in this picture? Answer is Cullen sign. Cullen sign means it is a superficial edema and bruising in the subcutaneous fatty tissue around the umbilicus. It is named for gynecologist Thomas Stephen Cullen, who first described the sign in ruptured ectopic pregnancy in 1916. It is also known as peri-umbilical ecchymosis. So Cullen sign is also known as peri-umbilical ecchymosis. It is a bruising found in the subcutaneous fatty tissue around the umbilicus. It is a sign of acute pancreatitis. Cullen sign is the sign of acute pancreatitis. The next question. Look at the picture and identify the device. CVP line. This is CVP line. Central venous catheter, also known as central line or central venous line or central venous access catheter. It is a catheter placed into a large vein, and it is a form of venous access, and several veins are used for this central venous catheters or for central line, that include the subclavian vein, jugular vein and femoral vein. So next question. Look at the picture and identify the tube placement. So what is the tube placement shown in this picture? Answer is correct NG tube placement, nasogastric tube placement. An abdominal radiograph is considered as the gold standard for determining the position of a nasogastric tube, especially in case of critically ill patients, elderly, dysphagic or unconscious patients. And the key features to confirm an NG tube placement is this chest X-ray view that should be adequate and upper esophagus down to below the diaphragm, and the NG tube should remain in the midline down to the level of diaphragm. Look at the picture and identify the fracture. What is the fracture in this picture shown? Answer is avulsion fracture. Avulsion means a piece of bone is torn away from the main bone while still attached to a ligament or tendon. The piece of bone is torn away from the main bone but it is still attached to the ligament or tendon. And when an avulsion fracture occurs, the tendon or ligament pulls off a piece of the bone. Look at the picture and identify the chart. The chart given here is Ishihara chart. The Ishihara test is a color perception test for red-green color deficiencies, and these are the first in a class of successful color vision test called pseudo-isochromatic plates. Dr. Shinobu Ishihara, a professor at the University of Tokyo, introduced in 1917 this color blindness test. So it is a color perception test, Ishihara chart. Next question, look at the picture and the typical pattern of erythema is suggestive of dash disease. Here in this picture, the erythema is given and this is suggestive of which disease? The answer is Lyme disease. Lyme disease, that means a tick-borne illness caused by the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi. The typical symptoms include fever, headache, fatigue, and a characteristic skin rash called erythema migrans. So erythema migrans, that means a bullseye type pattern that occurs 3 to 31 days after a tick bite, and the child should be seen and treated immediately to prevent the disease development. So Lyme disease means it is a tick-borne illness caused by the bacterium Borrelia burgdorferi, and the typical feature is erythema migrans. Next question, look at the picture and identify. Here the answer is ileal conduit. An ileal conduit urinary diversion is one of the various surgical techniques for urinary diversion, and it has been referred to as the Bricker ileal conduit after its inventor Eugene M. Bricker. An ileal conduit means the ureters are surgically resected from the bladder and a ureteroenteric anastomosis is made in order to drain the urine into a detached section of ileum at the distal small intestine. So here ileal conduit means the ureters are surgically resected from the bladder and then a ureteroenteric anastomosis is made to drain the urine into that detached section of ileum at the distal small intestine. So this is ileal conduit. So thank you for watching the video. Also share this video to your friends and subscribe the channel and get the notifications. Yeah.